Hey, hi guys. Today I am discussing on the notices that have been received by many people as they have identified you have been copying into the exam. So there are two things to this. One is you have to revert to the show cause notice which has been received, and second is you have to genuinely prove that okay you have not copied from for the exam. So many of people have received either for using a mobile or some external source, and some might have received for any person who's sitting besides next to you or in the room. So there are these two scenarios in which these people send the show cause notice. What you have to do is you'll have to log in into your NMIMS ID, and then you will have to reply to this. So, for people those who have received for using an external source or for copying, what you have to do is mention your genuineness that you have not copied. There are two things. One is you have copied, and other is you have not copied. So, you should be. I don't know if you people are aware that yes, these people can also see the recording after the exams and really try and find out that yes whether you have copied or not. So, in case if they have seen your mobile or any other external sources in your hands via the camera, yes, you cannot explain anything. You have been caught, and you will have to reappear for the exam. But in case if you people have not used it, or your mobile was not seen on the camera, or any other thing is not seen in camera, you have to prove your genuineness. You have to mention that you have not copied, uh, you did not verify anything, or you did not consult any other person for your exam. You have yourself attempted the same, and genuinely ask for the proof, that if you have a proof that I was copying in the exam, please share it with me, and I would definitely agree to whatever show cause notice has been given to me. So this is how you reply to the show cause notice. And for people those who have received that, if there was some person into the in the room, yes, at that point of time the proctor must have asked you that you'll have to revolve your laptop camera 360-degree to understand if there is some person sitting besides you or in the room. So in that case you can say that yeah, I was being asked by the proctor to turn the laptop 360-degree, and then he asked me, he or she, whoever is the proctor, asked me to continue with the exam. So that is the point where you can argue, and you can tell them that yes, you are genuine and you have not copied during the exam. So this is how you reply to the show cause notice, and best of luck to you for those who have received the show cause notice, because in case if they find you guilty, you will be marked fail in that particular exam. Your results will be on hold, and you will have to reappear for those exams. So yes, best of luck to you guys. Also, one more message which I wanted to pass out was September assignments are out, and probably by this week end I will be uploading all the videos for sem 1, uh, and for sem 2 will be in the next week. So thank you everyone, and stay safe. Bye bye.